Have you ever tried to mix water and oil together? Seems impossible, right? The same thing happens in your body. There are foods and substances which your body simply cannot process in a correct way, so it disposes of them without absorbing all their nutrients and benefits. One of these substances is curcumin, which is the active substance in turmeric.
And one of the things that's always discussed regarding curcumin is its poor bioavailability. So it's poor uptake into the human body, and that basically limits its suitability and usability.
Turmeric is a root that comes from India, and it offers great benefits for the body. In fact, its use has been documented for more than 4,500 years in both gastronomy and various therapeutic purposes, making it one of the founding plants of the world's oldest medicine, Ayurvedic medicine. That is why, nowadays, the use of turmeric in food supplements is becoming more and more common, being the active ingredient in 4 of the 5 best-selling food supplements in the world. Vitify founder and CEO Shane Brady explain us what it's the BioMS technology and why makes Nanotech a unique food supplement.
BioMS Technology has come to revolutionize the supplement industry by combining 3 types of technology. First, we extract the active curcumin metabolites from the turmeric root. Then we break those down to nanometric size required for immediate absorption into the blood. And finally, we apply patented micellization processes to make the lipid ingredients soluble in water. Nanotechnology is simply the reduction of any material to a nanometric size. That's 1/1,000,000th part of a millimeter. To give you an idea of how small that is, just imagine that you split the thickness of your fingernail into 1,000,000 parts. That's the size of a nanometer. Now, there's a classification process with the nanotechnology industry. The Woodrow Wilson Center has classified 49 patents for nutritional supplements worldwide. And in the US, there are only 6 companies that sell nutritional supplements with patented nanotechnology. Vitify is one of those companies. In order for the body to absorb curcumin, it first has to reduce it down to a nanometric size. That's true for any substance absorbed into the bloodstream. But with a lipid, it also must be encapsulated in a nanocarrier type structure, one that is soluble both in water as well as oil. That's called amphiphilic, which means that it can swim both in water as well as oil. This nanocarrier or nanotransporter is called a micelle. Micellization is almost like putting a costume on the curcumin nanoparticle. If you buy any other powdered turmeric or curcumin product and you try to dissolve it in water, you'll quickly realize that it doesn't mix well. That's because it's an oil-based substance, which is why it's hard to absorb on a cellular level. The micelle solubilicid is the costume that is put on the curcumin nanoparticle so that the body can absorb it. Blood consists of water, so now the curcumin micelle can swim through the bloodstream and arrive to the cells. Once there, the lipid ingredient can pass through the cell membrane.
For the first time, we have very, very high levels, the highest that's been observed with such a small dose of curcumin, and it's about a 185-fold increase in bioavailability. So after 24 hours, there was still plasma concentrations that are comparable to the maximum plasma concentrations in other studies that have been published. As far as I know, this is the most potent solution to overcome the low bioavailability of curcumin that's been published in the literature so far.
If we take the Nanotech curcumin dropper and add some to a glass of water, we can see how it mixes with the water and dissolves perfectly. However, with the powdered curcumin capsules, the oily substance literally floats on the surface of the water and does not mix well.
For the first time, using Nanotech curcumin with vitamin D3, we can bring the benefits of curcumin to the body with a bioavailability proven in clinical studies to be 185 times greater than powdered turmeric. Just 10 drops of Nanotech curcumin with vitamin D3 equals 27 tablets of turmeric powder. Feel good with Nanotech curcumin and transform your life into what you've always wanted.